Okay.
Angelina, baby girl. How you doing, little mama? You know, I'm not here. About to shoot this third dance video. I'm gonna do it for you, little mama. I love you, Angelina. I just wanted to know, are you here for the love of that? I'll talk to you later, girl. I gotta make sure I got everything first. Alright. Got my shirt? Check. My Lucky underwear? Check. My tunes? Check. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Are we about to get it just a little hot and sweaty in this booth? Ladies, let's go. Soldiers, let's go. Let me talk to y'all and just, give you a little situation. Every time I come through, when I step up in the spot, make the place sizzle like a summertime cookout. Ground for the best shit, yes, I'm on flick out. Banging shorty like a belly dancer with it. Smell good, pretty skin, so gangster with it. No sexually diamonds on my sleeve, give me the number. To make sure you
I know you like me. I know you do. That's why whenever I come around, she's all over you. I know you want me.
I need to stop that. I'm a diabetes and my blood pressure all start rising up. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lord. I need my goodies. I'm all hungry. That's the stuff right now. What are them cookies?